In this video, I'll show you how to send money from the USA to the Philippines using Wise step by step. By the way, if you run a business, Wise probably isn't the best option for you, but I'll explain more about that later in the video. In order to send money from the USA to the Philippines using Wise, first, you need to sign up for a Wise account. You can go to the Wise website or download the mobile app, then enter your email and create a secure password. After that, check your email to verify your account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the dashboard where you'll see the option to send money. Click on it and enter the amount you want to send. Wise will instantly show you the fees and the real exchange rate, so you know exactly how much your recipient will receive with no hidden costs. Next, select the destination currency, which in this case is the Philippine peso. Wise will automatically calculate the converted amount using the current exchange rate, which is usually better than traditional banks. Now, enter the recipient's details, including their full name and bank account information. Make sure everything is correct to avoid delays and double-check the details with your recipient if needed. Before confirming, Wise will show you a full summary of the transfer, including the fee, exchange rate, and total amount. Take a moment to review everything carefully. Then, choose your payment method. You can pay using a bank transfer, debit card, or credit card, depending on what's most convenient for you. Once you confirm the transfer, Wise will process it and keep you updated. Most transfers to the Philippines are completed within 1 to 2 days, depending on the payment method and bank processing times. Wise is decent, but personally, I prefer MoneyGram for day-to-day money transfers, especially if you live in the US or Canada. If you're worried about online fraud, they even have physical locations near you where you can make transfers in person. There's a link in the description below to create a free account. But if you run a business or plan to start one, Airwallex is a much better option. You can send and receive money from all over the world, in many different currencies. It's a complete business banking account that goes way beyond what Wise offers. There should be a video popping up on your screen now. It's a detailed Airwallex review covering everything you need to know. Click the video to start watching.